Hello everyone, this is Priya from the Department BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, KJISL Institute of Technology. Today I am going to take a session about the introduction to structured query language. Before entering into our session, we just get some clarity about what is data and database. Data is nothing but the collection of small unit of information. Data can be in various forms like text, numbers, etc. Database. Database is the organized collections of data. The main purpose to use the database is to operate the large amount of information for storing, retrieving them. Database is usually represented by cylindrical structure. The popular databases are Oracle, MongoDB, Azure, IBM DB2, etc. What is SQL? SQL is nothing but the programming language to manage data in RDBMS like MySQL, Oracle, etc. Who developed SQL? SQL was developed in the year 1970 by IBM computer scientists. SQL is a language to communicate with databases. In SQL, the keywords are not case sensitive. The basic SQL commands. There are many SQL commands to interact with RDBMS. They include create, select, insert, update, delete, drop, and truncates. They may be classified into the categories namely DDL, data definition language, DML, data manipulation language, DCL, data control language, TCL, transaction control language. First thing is DDL commands. DDL commands is used to create and modify the structure of databases like table, view, schema, etc. The commands in DDL include create, alter, drop, and truncate. Create is used to create a new table or a view of table in the database. Alter modifies the existing database such as tables. Drop deletes the entire row in the database, whereas truncate is used to truncate the entire table in a go. DML commands are used for adding, deleting, and modifying the data in the database. The commands in DML include select, insert, update, and delete. Insert command creates the new record to the table, whereas the select retrieves specific records from one or more tables. Update command is used to modify the existing records in the database, whereas delete deletes the records from the table. Next is the DCL commands, data control language, which is used to control the access to data in the database. The commands in DCL include grant and revoke. This is the example for the table, which includes ID, name, age, address, and salary of few people. First is the create command. Create table creates a new table in the database. This is the syntax for the create command, which is create table name followed by parenthesis, column 1 its data type, column 2 its data type, column 3 its data type, and so on, terminated by semicolon. Next is the insert statement. Insert is used to add new rows to the table. Insert into table name, column 1, column 2, etc. values followed by their values which we want to include it. Select is used to retrieve data from the database. Every query will begin with select. The syntax is select column name from table name, terminated by semicolon. If I want to fetch the entire data from the table, I can use the command select star from table name followed by semicolon. Alter command is used to add columns to the database. Alter table name, add column name followed by its data type. Next is the update statement. Update is used to edit the existing rows or records in the table. Update table name, set some column to its value where some column is equal to its value followed by semicolon. Delete is used to remove rows from the table. If I want to remove the specific column, I need to give delete from table name where some column is equal to its value. Next is the databases in SQL. There are major databases like varchar, int, date, float and boolean. SQL views. Views is nothing but the virtual table that is stored in the database with specific name. A view can contain rows that are from the existing table. A view can be created from one table or more than it. To create a view, we can use the SQL create view statement. The syntax is create view, view name as select the columns in our table from table name where the condition. Next is the SQL joins. Join is used to combine rows from two or more tables. The syntax is select column names from table 1, join table 2 followed by semicolon. Which are all the types of joins in SQL? SQL has joins like inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. Here is the demo video which covers the basic DDL and DML commands. Hope the session finds helpful for you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.